dementia and brain problems are not brain problems. They're body problems or systemic problems that affect the brain. And I wrote a book called The Ultramind Solution, documenting how this works, not just for dementia, but for autism and ADD and depression and much more. And our whole diagnostic approach is completely flawed. An article in the Journal of the American Medical Association a number of years ago talked about shifting thinking of dementia. And they said we have a problem of categorical misclassification, meaning we categorize according to symptoms and geography. Where is it in your body and what is a symptom? Versus, in other words, your brain is damaged so you can't remember. But why is that happening? And then they said we have categorical misclassification and etiologic imprecision, which means we categorize according to symptoms, not according to causes. So functional medicine is about looking at the root causes. And Dale Bredesen, who's written a book called The End of Alzheimer's, his wife is a functional medicine practitioner and introduced her to these ideas. And he started to look at this from a research angle and started to look at the literature and find actually there was data on this. There was data pointing to these dysfunctions in Alzheimer's, of insulin resistance, of methylation issues, of toxicity issues, of gut issues, of nutritional imbalances and methylation problems. All were consistent with some of the factors that caused brain dysfunction. So just because you know someone has dementia or Alzheimer's doesn't mean you know what's wrong with them. It means that you've labeled someone with a name that describes their symptoms, namely they don't remember stuff. And the question is, why? So in terms of brain disorders and in terms of dementia specifically, we've come up with a model to actually treat these patients. Dale Bredesen has codified it, called the RECODE program, but essentially it's based on functional medicine, which looks at all the variable factors that can be affecting the brain health.